store.
KPRC2 is your vaccine central, and we are tracking new developments on the treatment. Although a few companies made it to the finish line first with a vaccine for COVID-19, there are several more coming through the pipeline.
Therefore, there is a new plea for people to be part of these clinical trials. Health reporter Haley Hernandez joining us once again now to explain why this is needed. Haley.
Right. So all the questions that we still have about the vaccine, like how long will it last? Will we need a booster shot? Those won't be answered until scientists have more time to study people in the ongoing clinical trials for a number of vaccines. But one new problem with the trials, they've lost momentum getting participants, and they say they need more people to sign up.
Erilyn and Ariana Politi are only 14 years old and part of the trial for Novavax. They said even though their age group has vaccines available, they felt that it was important to participate in a trial in order to provide different options in the future.
If we do it, maybe other people will do it. So other people will see that it's safe and be able to take the vaccine.
That is important, says Dr. Sarah Hassan, but lately getting people of all ages has been tough.
I think it's challenging to find people that haven't been vaccinated yet. That's really where our challenge is right now.
She says they're going to continue monitoring participants in all trials for 2 years. They need to continue monitoring how long protection lasts, how effective it is against mutations, and whether they need a booster. The length of the trial doesn't automatically mean they're concerned about what's being offered to the public.
The historical data that we've seen so far with mRNA vaccines has not shown a big concern on the side effects or the safety profile. But what we do have focus on right now is how effective this vaccine is and how much it protects you from COVID-19.
The Politis say they are so proud of their young girls, taking part in science history to help find the next best thing if it's out there, and looking forward to putting the pandemic behind them.
I really do want other people to get vaccinated because that way we can all get back to normal life.
So why do we wait until trials are over to say, aha, here's the proof, this is why these things work? Well, because trials really need lots of data. They need to cross all their T's and dot all their I's before they can make really bold claims. Behind the scenes, though, I can tell you these researchers are getting pretty excited when they tell me about what the results are looking like for these COVID-19 vaccines. Keith?
Yeah, Haley, a lot of us support in the scientific community to get these vaccines as quickly as possible. But is it actually typical anytime there's a new vaccine for drug scientists to all jump on board with whatever's new on the market?
No, not at all. Actually, quite the opposite. Just like us, they're often divided on opinions. But, you know, overwhelmingly, we've seen the science community support the COVID vaccines. But really, to your point, trials and FDA hearings, they normally don't go this smoothly. For example, coming up today at 5 o'clock, I'm going to tell you about a controversial drug for Alzheimer's that it was just approved today after a lot of debate. Why some people say it's the end of this terrible disease and other people say it could do more harm than good. I'll give you those details at 5 o'clock.
We will be watching then, Haley. Thanks so much. And stay with KPRC2 for updates on COVID-19 vaccines. You can find the latest developments in a dedicated section on our website, click2houston.com/vaccine.